All right, here we are. It is June 25th. Last week, I got problems. So last week, between someone hacking my YouTube, I didn't get a video in. What I did was, I took 10 frames out, took an entire box. So they're down to three supers. So that's 17 frames that I've taken from these girls. And you'll see here in a minute, they're gonna need some space. It's hot and muggy today. So I'm not expecting favorable results. I am adding space, I do believe. When I get in there, I'm gonna give them that box back. So bear with me here. This is what we're up to. Now, just so you know, this box on the top, 3 weeks now? Yeah, last week was 2 weeks. So this box on top is gonna be interesting to see because 7 out of the 10 frames were the ones I extracted in my first extraction, 3 weeks ago. So let's see what they've done. And I'm about to give them back their 10 frames. So let's see how we're doing. Didn't really expect the comb to be drawn up here, only because they had so much to draw underneath. But let me check the cameras first because I think I'm too low. Hold on, bear with me. Bear with me. I think you can see what I'm saying. Trying to get it, there we go. So like I said, so these were extracted frames, these 7 right here, and put back in 3 weeks ago. So I'm kind of excited to see what we've done in 3 weeks. That's completely full. And that's starting to be capped. So this is why I turn and burn. If I didn't turn and burn, they would have had to draw these out. I mean, every year I don't have enough. Every year I multiply. I think last year I had 18 production. This year I came out of winter with 31. So yeah, I never have enough comb. And here we are. I mean, look at this. This is probably maybe another week, 2 weeks away, I would say. We're gonna have wet, I mean, they're full. That one actually got a little domer going on right there. So not completely full. That one isn't. But we're capping honey. We're capping honey in the top here, so. Maybe I'm not gonna give these girls back their box. I'm gonna let them draw the comb out. So I'm kinda on the fence about whether, look at that, it's beautiful. Beautiful frames. Kinda on the fence about, some hives draw a comb great, some don't. Do I take from the ones that do, give to the ones that don't? Or do I like to see where that hive could do the potential? I don't know, I'm on that fence. So anyways, that looks really good. Let me get some of these. I mean, it might not get another box. We'll see. I did make a split last week too, so should be hoping for my last split of the season over here. Maybe not my last split, but I'll be taking the queen, I think, at some point in time. Just because she's 3 years old, and I've never had one go longer than 3, so maybe that's my number. All right, let me get you back down to earth here. So here we are. This is honey super number 2. And as you can see, we have what looks like 2, 3 untouched. So they got some comb to draw. And like I said, I've already taken and extracted 17 frames from this hive. So we'll see what we're gonna do here. Looks like we've hit a wall here. All right, so that's got nothing. This here is almost done. That one, not so much. That one is pretty close. So Oh yeah, look at that. Girls. So what I do believe I did was I took that, this was being worked on, and I took the 7-frame extraction, put it in between the bottom and the top. So this was already, these are older frames than that box, is what I'm trying to get at, sorry. But I put the drawn comb above what they were working on. That's done. That's close. So we're 2 weeks away. Looking at another month. That one's that one's there. That one's there, girls. So we're there. We're getting good. These are looking good right there. That one not so much. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, looks like we're gonna be taking a bottom box off of this, or I want to work some of those frames into this hive. So I'm not gonna mess with these. These girls are working on these. They're drawing them out. We've got 2 over here. So let's take a look. Hold on a second. Because I do believe I just put them, I gave them a new box underneath. So let's see what they're doing down below here. Definitely got some good weight to it. All right, so down lower. Oh, this is the 3rd super, one closest to the honey, the brood chamber. And looks like I can squeeze some frames out of this one. So let's get working on that. So I have 1, 2, 3. It's got some bees on it. Looks like 4. Yeah, I'm gonna take that one. 2. All right, so we got 4 frames. On the outside here, that one's being worked on. Let's see, come on, move it over, ladies. What do you got here? All right, that's got a little bit of work. All right, so I'm giving it back to him. You'll see what I'm gonna do here in a second. Watch this. Get them out. Beautiful extracted frames. Going right in. Here you go, girls. 1, 2. I mean, look at these. Ready to roll. That should give them plenty of space for whatever's going to come in from here on out. It's going to be hot this week too, so 4, 5, 6. Those 2 in the middle are older. So 4 more. Hold on, girls. Hold on. Come on, get off there. All right. So I gave them that box last week for the space. I didn't want to overcrowd them. I was kind of hoping they would draw some more comb than they did. Just fine. But now we got 4 more. So, anyways, they're gonna get 8 of the 10 back if they draw. I mean, look at this. This is beautiful. Ready to roll. Ready to fill. Just add honey. There you go, girls. That's it. We're back in action here. We got, I remember for next week, we'll have 8 down here. Let me see what I can do with the rest here. I think I can get maybe 1 more in up top. Give them in 9. All right, come on. Gotta go. All right, I know I'm making a mess, but I'd rather give them drawn comb and then have it sit in my garage. So let's add another box. I'm gonna take the top off over here. You see what I mean? And So I'm just adding a box over here. I'm sorry. And that should do it. So I'm just gonna squeeze that one right here. And let them add to it. So that's it. That's it for the honey super today. Honey supers. We're back to 3 boxes. Looks like we have 9 frames drawn, but open, so plenty of room. Thanks for watching.